Today we are diving into what I like to think of as the brains behind your channel, the setup page. This is an extremely important part of your channel. Done correctly, you get entered into the algorithm. Forget to check that obscure box and it's the bog of eternal stench for you.
Oh my God! Ah, what is it?
The bog of eternal stench!
So get ready to get all technical and let's tweak the settings to please the algorithm. Let's open up YouTube, go to the website and click on your thumbnail in the upper right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, let's go ahead and click on YouTube Studio. Now let's move our attention to the left side of the screen, and in the bottom left-hand corner, let's go ahead and click on the settings. This will bring up our settings form. We start out at the General tab. This should be your country's currency. I am in the US, so I will select US dollar. Go ahead and select the currency system of your country. Moving on to the Channel tab, go on and select the Channel tab on your left. Now we are presented with our country of residence. Click on the field and select your country of residence. Next, we have keywords. This is an extremely important section. It lets the almighty algorithm know about your channel and what you're all about. You can enter words and phrases that describe your channel's overall topic, niche, and audience focus. These keywords help YouTube's algorithm understand what your channel is about, which can improve how your videos show up in search results and recommendations. While not as powerful as titles and descriptions, well-chosen channel keywords can boost your visibility and discoverability, especially for new or growing channels. That's us. As always, I went to ChatGPT to help me with this task. Now, there are a lot of tools out there that help you with this task. However, at this point in time, I just used ChatGPT. Now, I am told it does matter the order in which they are placed, so make sure your most relevant tag is first. Moving to the Advanced Setting tab at the top. Clicking on it reveals the Audience section. I am told this is a very important field. It lets the algorithm know if your content is targeting kids. Unless you're building something for kids, make sure you check this to know. Next is Google Ads account linking. All I can say about this is hopefully we will be able to come back to this one day and set this up. Automatic captions. I check this box because I don't want to show potentially inappropriate words that are being generated by some AI. Moving right along, we see the advertisements section. In here, we check clips box. This allows viewers to clip my content. Now let's go back to the top and click on the Feature Eligibility tab. Click on this reveals 3 options: Standard features, Intermediate features, and Advanced features. You want to make sure all 3 of these options are enabled. Basically, this is where you are going to prove to YouTube you are who you said you are. You will be verifying your phone number and uploading your ID. In the right-hand column, select Upload Defaults tab. This tab is where you would put things like your contact info, taglines, anything you want added every time you upload. At this point in time, we are going to click on the Visibility tab and select Unlisted. This lets YouTube know that when I upload a video, it is to be unlisted until I schedule a time for publication. This is extremely important because you don't ever want to just publish. You want to upload and allow the algorithm to study your video before you publish it. I'm told you should allow 24 to 48 hours for this process. Time for a little positive affirmation.
Inhale and feel the universe breathing with you. There's nowhere to be, just this sacred moment. Take 1 minute, close your eyes, be here.
We're almost done. Stay with me. We are now at the tags filed under Basic Info tab. These tags are keywords that help describe what your video is about. While tags aren't the most powerful SEO tool anymore, they still play a role in helping YouTube understand your content, especially for fixing common misspellings or showing up in related searches. By setting up default tags that match your niche, like how to start a YouTube channel or zero to wealth, you save time and keep your uploads consistent. It's a small step, but it helps the algorithm better categorize your content and connect you with the right audience. Now let's click on the Advanced tab at the top of the screen. At this point in time, with our level of expertise, we are going to check Allow Automatic Chapters and Key Moments. Later on down the road, when we have a little better grasp of things, we'll come back to this. But for now, let's check this box. Moving down, we have License. Go ahead and select Standard YouTube License. This brings us to the Category field. This helps YouTube understand what type of content you're creating, whether it's education, entertainment, how-to, people and blogs, or something else. Choosing the right category gives YouTube extra context about your video, which can help with how it's recommended and grouped with similar content. It's not the biggest ranking factor, but it helps the platform organize your videos better and suggest them to the right viewers. Language and Captions Certification section. Go on and fill this section out according to you. For me, I will select English for the video language and title and description language. For caption certification, I am going to go ahead and leave it on none. Moving down to the comments section, I am going to turn comments to on and moderation to basic. I also have checked show how many viewers like this video. At this time, you're going to want to hit that save button. We made it through the initial channel setup. And that's it. Your YouTube channel settings are now set up for success. Taking the time to dial in your defaults, keywords, tags, and categories might seem small, but it makes a huge difference in how your content is discovered and understood by the algorithm. The goal is to make uploading faster, stay consistent, and help YouTube send your videos to the right audience. Now that your foundation is solid, you're ready to focus on what really matters: creating great content. You know what to do. I'm a small channel, every little bit helps, so if it's not too much trouble, hit that like button and subscribe. God bless and have a great day.